What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you about how to create a desktop icon that is going to be your website link. So you just go ahead and create a shortcut icon and it is going to go ahead and directly open up your website. So it is going to be appeared inside your desktop. So what happens is most of the people have the problem inside their computer and they just request me, can you go ahead and do that? Can you go ahead and fix this problem? All the thing is going on inside the tech world is most of the people have forgot that all of the things which we use in today's date is a software. So if you go and use it inside a mobile phone, as Steve Jobs has come up with Apple company, most of the people has changed the name from software to apps. So most of the people understand that they are using a mobile phone, and so because of the mobile phone people have stopped using the computer and start using the mobile phone as they use it in the day-to-day life. So they think that app is everything and nobody cares about software. So basically everything is a software and it is just the name conception that it has been named as application for the mobile phone. So for iPhones there was a apps, and according to that there was an Android, and Android also get the apps. So that's how people think that everything is app and nothing is a software. So I was fixing that problem and that guy come to me and said, can you put a YouTube app inside my computer? And I was like, just go on Google and type youtube.com and that's it. No, but I want it on my screen so I can go ahead and click on it and it is going to open up directly on YouTube. And I was like, there's no application as YouTube, so how we can go ahead and fix that problem? So I got that idea that we can go ahead and put the shortcut icon to that is going to lead to the YouTube application. So what you have to do is just go ahead and open up Chrome browser or whatever you like. Just go and copy that YouTube URL, Control C on your keyboard, and then I'm going to go and minimize this one. Yes, I was searching about aliens and all, so forget about that. So let's just go ahead and let me teach you that what you can do with it. So I'm going to go ahead and right click on my screen, go to new and create shortcut. After the shortcut has been created, I'm going to go and Control V on my keyboard, and there you go, youtube.com is there. Then after that I'm going to go ahead and click on next. It is going to say what is the name of the shortcut you want to create. So shortcut I want to create is going to be YouTube, and then I'm going to go ahead YouTube app. So he understand that is a YouTube app. Actually it's not, it's a shortcut, but that's how he thinks. So let me just go ahead and click on finish, and that's how we create a YouTube app, which is a shortcut technically. So this is the shortcut which we created. As you can see on the left bottom, it is a shortcut icon over there. That means it's a shortcut, but the point is it shows the Chrome browser icon. So for that what you have to do is just go ahead and go to Google and type YouTube IC icon, and it is going to go ahead and give you all IC icons to that. Just go ahead and download ICO icons. That means ICO is a file which is going to be used for icons. So whatever icons you see, it's an ICO type of image. So now I'm going to right click on it and click on properties, and it is going to ask you want to change. Yes, I have downloaded one image from Google, and now I'm going to go and click on browse, and now I have to find this icon. So this is the icon which I have keep. It is on my desktop. I'm going to click on it, and as you can see, file type is ICO, and then hit OK, and then hit OK. So as you can see, it's just applied YouTube app. In this one apply, it is going to change that one. Click on OK, and that's about it. So there you see, this is a YouTube icon and it's an application looking like. So if you click on it, it is directly going to go ahead and open up the youtube.com. So let me just go ahead and prove it to you. I clicked on it, and there you go, youtube.com is officially launched from that shortcut icon, which basically he understands is an app. So I cleared it out. So in some case, if someone goes and asks you that stupid question again, it's hard to explain them. Then it is just go on Google and type youtube.com. They are like so lazy that can't even type youtube.com. So this is the best solution for that, and I hope you find this video informative and useful. If you like this kind of a video, please do comment and share. So that's about it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. My name is Nazir and I'm signing out.